So yeah, guys, it's your boy. I don't know if I'm running by ISO Life Tice or Wheelman Tice, but my 300ZX brake pedal, well, not brake pedal, but rear lights are still staying on. So this is the part that you need. This is the part you need right here. I got it from O'Reilly's. It is 74025. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna cost you 10 bucks. I really think it's that white one, or it might be the black one, but it looks more like the white one underneath. I'm gonna show you where it's set now, underneath the pedal right here. It's gonna be on this pedal. Obviously the brake pedal. It's gonna be on that pedal. So yeah, let me go and show you guys where it's at. Oh, there it is right there. See that right there? I'm trying to angle it. See that piece right there? It's gonna be that guy. See that green one right there? It's gonna be those two guys right there. Those two right there. So I'm gonna angle the light. Let's see if I can clip this one or something. I don't think I'm gonna really clip it. But anyway, it's gonna be that green one right there and that black one. I put a little pointing at you. And that's coming from this pedal. That pedal right there. See how it goes up? Goes up off that pedal. So once you go in, it'll be right there. So when I push this back like this, watch how I push this shit back. And it depresses. See how it depresses? See that right there? It's right there. Focus. Please focus. You can see it. It depresses right there. See it? Okay, now it sees it.